see your face, it always makes me smile. And every time that I drive to you, it's always worth my while. So let me sing for you, like the birds in the mountains do, like a child who cries for you.
Good morning.
Good morning.
We're ready to drop Sonia off at school and then head to the Social Security building. Nyla texted me. I think she was hinting to get picked up earlier or something, but I don't feel like picking her up, so too bad. She's like, there's nobody here in school today. You guys, I did it! I got their social! There's an issue with Nyla's. My name's not on her birth certificate for some reason. I didn't even realize that, so.
You are not the mother.
It said state withheld. On both father and mother, it says state withheld. I don't know what that means, but on Emmett's it said father not recorded. But my kids don't got dads. Anyways.
No, I don't have a mom.
Nyla's an orphan. I adopted her. Well, to give her back. What was I saying? Yeah, I got that. She was able to do it anyway. She just said to get her birth certificate fixed if I want to get passports for them, which I need to get that fixed because that's what the whole thing is about, getting passports, kind of, sort of.
Yeah.
I want to go to Canada. Is the drive long to Canada?
Not to Niagara.
Like how long?
That's like the closest point. Why? 'Cause it's recreational smoke weed.
No, just to go to Canada. What do you
July
mean?
1st. Not in Canada.
I heard Canada looks like London. You guys, I am full on adulting today. I'm at Walmart right now getting a toothpaste and a new toothbrush, a spin brush for Emmett. But I can't decide between Spider-Man or Iron Man. I think Spider-Man, it makes sense, right? But then he also likes Iron Man. But I think I'm just gonna go with Spider-Man. Does this spin? Yeah, that's a spin brush. Oh crap. Yes. I need shampoo too. Conditioner. Wait, what is this? The lollipop? The clean teeth pop? The after you eat treat for a healthy smile. How? There's sugar. Of course, we can't leave without a toy, so here we are. I didn't feel like dressing him today. He's in his pajamas. Let me see your Spider-Man. Hey! Do you guys remember when he was learning how to ride a bike with this? He still goes with a pink tricycle. He's so big now. He still go for the pink trike. Emmett, we're home.
We're home.
So good. Anyways, I wanted to show you guys what we got from Walmart. So I've been looking for a new shampoo and conditioner, one that won't dry out my scalp, because I have psoriasis on my scalp. I mentioned that a lot of times. I thought Head and Shoulder, the new one, it had some sort of oil in there. I think it's like grapeseed oil or something in there. When I first started using it, it helped a lot with my psoriasis. But now I don't know what's going on. It's so dry. I don't know if it's the rain, the weather. It has been like shitty lately, but my psoriasis on my scalp hurts so bad to the point where like when I turn, my neck hurt because it does spread down to my neck or the back of my neck. Anyway, the shampoo I picked out is, we got the Tresemme with marula oil. Sorry, I got a lollipop in my mouth. And then I also got the Head and Shoulder, just a conditioner. This is just a conditioner, no shampoo. And it has the Pyrathone zinc in it. Zinc. Oh, it was almond oil, not grapeseed oil, almond oil. So I want to see if it's just the conditioner that would work and not the shampoo. And Emmett picked this out. I don't like it, but he picked it out. We have more water balloons and then toothpaste for adults and kids. I'm gonna touch up my roots. My roots are really light. You want to sleep now? Toothpaste for Emmett. Okay, baby, come here.
Ouch.
Come on. You want to sleep? My big boy. Oh, look who's cleaning. His birthday's tomorrow, you guys. You'll probably see this on his birthday, so wish him a happy birthday. I'll leave his Instagram down below. Decided to take the kids to ShopRite just to take them out the house. It stopped raining and it's beautiful, so we're out and about. Crazy. We're here at Chick-fil-A now because oh sorry, somebody texted me, so anyways, yeah, we're here at Chick-fil-A and the kids want to go to the playground, but you know it's raining all day and it's gonna be raining all week, so the playground outside is really wet. So and I couldn't think of any other place to go but Chick-fil-A because they have an indoor little play area. So that's why we're here. And plus Nyla wanted Chick-fil-A.
Go! Hi, Mommy!
Hi.
My top! There!
Oh, look, they're on a little date. Look at Nyla and Jason. Oh. We're at Five Below.
I need to fix my shoes.
Fix your shoes. We're at Five Below now. We need chargers. Anybody else goes through Apple chargers? We go through it like crazy. And get some more chargers. Stock up on it. I just farted. She's so slow. Do you guys remember how it used to look? They changed everything. Looks good. Looks nice. Huh? What?
Dogs. What? Ducks. Cats. Ducks. Hamster. Heart. A big giant heart. A big giant circle. Never mind. What she say? Giant heart. Oh, mommy. I see a
Think that's not gonna hold us enough?
I see a goat.
Okay.
I see a rabbit. I see a rabbit.
Oh, the little Buddha thing is cute. A lot of people get offended when you buy Buddha as like decoration.
It's so soft. These are so soft.
Okay, what do you want? You get one thing. Go.
Under my eyes.
And now we're at IKEA for some yogurt. I think it's frozen yogurt. It's not soft serve. And hot dog. Emmett doesn't like too much bread on his hot dog, so I gotta take some of it out.
Mommy.
She gotta take her birth control.
Me.
You gonna take your birth control too? Huh? What? He need it. Yeah, he said he gotta take his birth control too. Hurry up, Emmett.